In the previous lecture, we have seen how to create and trigger a simple Jenkins build job. But the Jenkins job doesn't do much besides printing out the Hello Jenkins message. In this and the following few lectures, we'll set up a more practical Maven-based build. This Jenkins job would check out the source from GitHub, compile the code, run the test, and package the application. The project we're going to build is a very simple Maven project. Since it's a Git project and it's hosted on GitHub, we'll need to install Git on our local box and install GitHub plugin on Jenkins. Let's start by installing Git. If you already have Git installed, you can skip this step. To verify if Git is installed on your local box, just open up a command line terminal and type git -- version. If Git is installed, you would see the Git version printed out on the screen. Now let's Google download Git. The first entry is the official Git installation page. The installation steps vary depending which operating system you're running on. Since I'm using Mac OS, I just click Mac OS 10 to download the Git installer for Mac OS. You should select the one matches your operating system. Now, the Git installer has been downloaded. I'm fast-forwarding the video until the download is complete. Now the installer is downloaded. Let's open up the installer. Just click Continue to go with the default option. Type your credentials to proceed. Now the installation is complete. You can verify Git is successfully installed by running git -- version. Next, let's move on to install GitHub plugin for Jenkins. This plugin integrates Jenkins with GitHub projects. You can learn more about this GitHub plugin by visiting the plugin page. Here I am at the Jenkins landing page. Just click Manage Jenkins, then go to Manage Plugins. Click on the Available tab. The plugins that we're interested in is the GitHub plugins. Let's go to the filter search and type in GitHub. See? Jenkins located the GitHub plugin for us. Then click the checkbox next to it. There are two buttons to install the plugin: Install without restart and Download now and install after restart. Since Jenkins 1.442, we're able to install new plugins without restarting Jenkins. When installing new Jenkins, we usually choose Install without restart. If you are upgrading a plugin, we need to choose Download now and Install after restart. Here we click on Install without restart. Now Jenkins starts the installation process. If this is fresh install for you, you might have noticed that Jenkins is also installing some other plugins for us. This is because Jenkins automatically found any dependency plugins such as the GitHub API plugin and the Git plugin and included those as well. When the download is complete, we should see the success bar here. Now we go back to the landing page. Let's click Manage Jenkins again. Then click on Manage Plugins. This time we click the Installed tab. See? We have our GitHub plugin installed, and the version is 1.21.1. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.